You eat, I give you. I eat you, I take the money. In life, anyone can become anything. Anyone can become anything, because the man before you here came to Kakira after I had fished for the rest of my primary. I mended the shoes, I played the kacham in Buenge. I only stopped when the man who lost 17,000 to me almost killed me. He had sold his sack of maize to buy his wife a gomesi. So he came and found me on my duty. You eat, I give you. I eat you, I take the money. So when I ate, he wanted me to give it back to him after he had lost the contest. Now he picked the stool I was using and wanted to hit my head. Despite the fear, I didn't give back the money. I made my way to the road and back home. Then when I finished Bisran, I came to Korota. I don't know how many here were in Korota that time. Mukuru Mugisha was there, and I was